Stop with the loose talk, that's how bitches get dog walk. They find out who they fucking with and try to call the beef off. I finish bitches off. Have your body outlined in chalk.
Thank you guys for tuning in, first of all, but let's jump right into this tutorial. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I co-washed with the coconut mint, followed up with the Shea Moisture Conditioner, and then I finally used the high porosity Moisture Seal Mask to deep condition with. Here I'm separating my hair into two sections from ear to ear, one in the front and one in the back. These parts don't have to be perfect. I will say that clean parts do result in less breakage, but it's really not that serious. Starting with the section in the back, I'm going to add water to my hair before applying any product to it because it was a little dry. Next, I'm going to use the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. And this product did leave my hair feeling soft and moisturized. And I got a lot for like $12, I think, at Sally's. So, yeah. Next, I'm using Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. I've used this product in the past, and every single time it has left my hair feeling really, really soft. And I just really, really enjoy using it. Plus, it's not that expensive, maybe like $3 or $4 at Walmart. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you trying this. This is a close-up of me braiding my hair. To me, braiding is not hard at all. I've known how to braid for so long, so this is pretty much like a second nature type thing. If you don't know how to braid, or maybe braiding is hard for you, then I would say watch this video a couple times, or you can look up another video that is more detailed and maybe more clear for you to understand. But yeah, this is real simple. The last product that I'll be using on my hair is shea butter mixed in with tea tree, coconut, castor, and olive oil. That is really just to seal in the moisture on my hair, and it's pretty much optional. So yeah.
One eternity later. I'm done.
This is my hair 2 days later. I left the braids in just because I had to work and stuff, so I left it until I had to go to school. My hair was really, really soft, defined, moisturized, and I just loved it. So hopefully you can learn something from this video.